In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for sales. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, having an effective tool for scheduling can make a world of difference. Calendly offers a seamless solution for setting up appointment slots with your clients, ensuring that your sales process is smooth and efficient. So, let's dive into the steps of setting this up effectively. To begin, once you're logged into Calendly, you'll first want to click on the Create button. This is your gateway to setting up new events, and you'll be prompted to select from various event types. For our purposes, you'll want to choose the one-on-one event type. This option is ideal for personalized interactions, allowing you to dedicate time to individual clients, which is crucial for sales-related meetings. Next, it's time to name your event type. In this instance, you're going to call it a discovery call. This title not only sets the tone for the interaction, but also clearly communicates the purpose to the client. A discovery call is a fantastic opportunity to build rapport and understand the needs of your potential customer, setting the stage for a successful sales conversation. Now, you'll want to set the duration of your event. Consider how much time you typically need for these calls to be both productive and respectful of your and your client's time. You might find that 30 to 60 minutes is sufficient for most discovery calls. Now, let's move on to setting the location of your event. Calendly offers several location options, including Zoom, phone, in-person meetings, and more. Depending on what works best for you and your client, you can select your preferred mode of communication. For virtual meetings, Zoom is a popular choice due to its ease of use and reliability. However, if in-person connections are necessary, you'll also have that option. Once you've determined the essential details of your event, it's crucial to set your availability. Calendly allows you to customize the days and times you're available for these calls. This means you can avoid double booking and ensure that your schedule remains manageable. By configuring this properly, you're offering your clients convenient options while still retaining control over your calendar. There might be times when you need to add additional details to your event. Maybe you need specific information from the client before the call or want to provide additional instructions. If that's the case, you can click More Options to input all necessary information, ensuring that both parties are well prepared for the meeting. Finally, once you've filled out all the required fields and are satisfied with your setup, hit Create. Your new event type is now live, and you can start sharing the link with potential clients, facilitating smoother scheduling and more effective sales interactions. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to setting up Calendly for your sales process. Remember that regular adjustments can help optimize your setup over time, leading to even better results. Thanks for watching, and here's to more productive and successful sales calls with Calendly.